Para contigo, sí. Esta noche yo quiero jugar con tu cuerpo junto a mí. Esta noche yo quiero bailar por la última vez, amor. Por la última vez, amor, amor, amor.
Rompe.
Gusto ko yan! Alam mo, tawa na tayo mga klase. Napakita yung video eh.
No more, no more.
Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is presented to Gabrielle Marie Lazaro in appreciation of your generosity in celebrating your birthday and providing fun games and food for the Kandong scholars. We, Kandong Foundation for Differently Abled Children Incorporated, express our sincere gratitude for your contribution. Given this 11th day of January 2026 at Kandong Foundation for Differently Abled Children, Ikili Heights, Barangay Iba, Silang Cavite, signed by our Executive Director, Ms. J.K.D. Alzate. Muli po, maraming salamat and happy birthday po, and thank you for celebrating your birthday with us. And for that, we also prepared a little something for you. Okay, kids, ano ibibigay natin kay Ms. Gab? O, bigay na po natin. Give na po natin sa kanya. Oh, sweet. Ang cute. Ayan, sabay-sabay natin siyang batiin ng isang malakas na happy birthday in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday, Gabriel! Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. Ayan.